Ropack Pharma solution provides both thermoformed and cold-formed blister packaging solutions across 7 flexible blister lines that allows us to meet diverse client needs. We also handle carton packaging and folding wallet cards. With over 6,000 tooling parts in our inventory, we can quickly accommodate a wide range of product configurations. And if specialized tooling is needed, our in-house machining center can create the required parts seamlessly. We ensure full traceability by printing 2D codes on each blister, supported by a built-in verification system. We also offer serialization capabilities, maintaining compliance and offering end-to-end tracking. Ropack delivers blister solutions with the reliability you trust, the flexibility you need, and the quality you count on.